Welcome back to another video. Now today, this video is actually going to be looking at a Indiegogo for one of my good friend and comic book artists, Mark McKenna. He has a book out called Banana Tail and the Checkerboard Jungle, which I will link in the description below so you can check it out. Right now, they have a goal of $2,000, so it's a flex goal, so that means if they don't hit the goal, they'll still get the money for the book. Mark has done work for many comics in the past. He has his own indie comic as well. This one is more geared towards kids, so we're going to take a look at that right now. Right now they have $565 US so far with 4 backers, 9 days left, so time crunch of a little bit there. So I'm going to look at the perks. So first perk is digicopy of any past B-tail, 5 USD, 0 claimed. Then there's Banana or Rigi B-tail, BTTNA, that one's $5. There's the Checkerboard PDF for $10. Copy of B-tail colorful, $10 as well. This one is $15, which is the B-tail and the Checkerboard book. The entire B-tail digital set, and that one's $25. Remark Checkerboard Jungle, that's $25, and Bananagers and BLA print, 25 USD. This one is superhero art print and new B-tail, $25. Adults and kids book night, so you get his adult comic, and then you also get the kids book for $25. Dragon Ball Z art print for $25. The new book signed and portfolio, $45. Captain America sketch with B-tail, $75. Hawkeye sketch cover and new B-tail, $75. Doctor Who sketch, new B-tail, $75. And it goes on with different sketches available, so it really gives you a lot of options here. The original Doctor Doom, Crow, and Crow 2 are all sold out. So this is some of the illustration here. Obviously a nod to the Justice League, nod to the Avengers. So this is it says Image Comics. I'm not sure if it's still under Image, but still really awesome artwork by Mark. And I think he said he's working with a certain printer, so to get these in a cost-effective way here. And then obviously the risk and challenges. COVID-19 is the kind of the big one right now, because it's really hampering, how fast you can get stuff shipped out. And then I wanted to take a look some of the other artwork here. It's a limited edition portfolio. So this is art by Jim Califori, Greg Horn, Sean McKennas, Sarah Richard, Walter Simonson, and Kristen Sora. So that's some of the options here. And let's see here. So obviously this is stuff that you would need if this is the first time doing Indiegogo, if you're kind of like a Kickstarter person, or if you've never done crowdfunding. It's just a way for you to kind of read information about it. Here's some more sketches. Really awesome stuff. Mark's done some work in my field sketchbook where, I've handed it to different artists to sketch in it. But really great guy, and I've never heard anybody say a bad thing about Mark, and I hope his campaign does really well. I wanted to kind of show this off for visibility, but I'm going to quickly show this video and go from there.
Mark McKenna here. You probably know your third storybook in my lineup.
Oh, we didn't want to skip
McKenna
it.
here.
I'm just going to turn the volume up.
I'm not Kenny Rogers, and I'm not here to pit my greatest hits. I'm here to talk to you about my new Banana Tail book, Banana Tail and the Checkerboard Jungle. Banana Tail and the Checkerboard Jungle is the third storybook in my line of pure kids Banana Tail stories. I wanted to complete a book with each of the lead characters, starting with the origin of Banana Tail. Then I had Image Comics publish Banana Tail's Colorful Adventure, which focused on Rena, the new color-changing female rhino, and now the origin of how Banana Tail met Tic Tac to play its season. Those of you who are familiar with my work will know about my extensive career in comics and that I started my journey into kids' books when my daughter was 4 years old and my son was a newborn. Since then, I've built a little stable of books including Banana Tail's Tales and Activities and the well-received Banana Tail Halloween Special. All the books have been available for Diamond distribution, and they do the same with this story. So here's the deal. This 35-page beauty is complete and ready to go to the printer. I'm looking to cover the cost of production, things like pencils, colors, letters, logo design, and copy editing, plus the soon-to-be-added printing costs. I've had 7 successful Kickstarters, but have never asked for anything other than the pledge money needed for each project. My personal reward is to have a hardcover available for every person who pledges, and for the books to be available via the Banana Tail website and at conventions when you see me. Speaking of rewards, rewards range from any of the past published books individually or via a set. I have group hug t-shirts, coffee mugs, and an awesome suitable for framing 11x17 Banana Tail portfolio set in both signed and numbered and unsigned variants. These 6 pieces were created by some of today's top illustrators and are very special to me. If you pledge $30 or more, I'll include a set of the unsigned portfolios.
So what are you waiting for? Pledge away and help me get this book into your child's hands. You'll be happy you did.
Well, there you go.
Then
I really hope you guys can actually support Mark here. If you can't, just sharing this video along on your social medias, Twitter and Facebook, just let me know in the comments down below. Even if you've met Mark at a convention, leave a nice comment. I can share it with Mark. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you check out the Banana Tail and the Checkerboard Jungle Indie Go-Go campaign. It will be in the comments down or in the description down below. As always, don't forget to keep it over 9,000. Take care.